Welcome back to Bridge Educare. Hello learners. In this video we will talk about those individuals who keep moving forward with the hard work to fulfill their goal and completing their goal. They made history in the field of mountaineering. So let's see and discuss about Indian women mountaineers. तो हम सबसे पहले हमारे देश की पहली पर्वतारोही के बारे में जानेंगे. She is Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal is the first female mountaineer to reach the summit of Mount Everest in 1984. She is born on 24th of May in 1954 in Uttarkashi in Uttarakhand. She is India's first female mountaineer and world's fifth female mountaineer. Bachendri Pal, respectively honored by India's third highest civilian award, Padam Bhushan, in 2019. Padam Shri in 1984, Arjun Award in 1986, and she is listed in the Guinness Book of World Record in 1990. आप इनकी फोटो से पहचानेंगे तो ये है हमारी मालावत पूर्णा. Malavati Purna is the youngest girl in the world to climb the Mount Everest. She is the first tribal woman in the world to set foot on the 6 continents. She is born on 10th of June 2000 in Pakala village that is situated in Andhra Pradesh, but now Pakala village is situated in Telangana. She is the youngest girl to scale Mount Everest at the age of 13 years and 11 months, and at the age of 18 years, she scaled world's 6th summit in the world. Next, we talk about our nation pride Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is the youngest woman in the world to scale Mount Everest at the age of 20 years. Dared to climb Mount Everest twice, first in 1992 and second time in 1993. Santosh Yadav, born on 10th of October in 1967, Rewari in Haryana. She is the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice, the first woman to successfully climb Mount Everest from Kangshung phase. She climbed the peak first in May 1992 and then again in May 1993 with an Indo-Nepalese team. She honored by Padam Shri in 2000 and Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award in 1994. We will talk about Premlata Agrawal. She is the mother of 2 children. This woman climbed the Mount Everest at the age of 48, and with this she became the oldest woman to climb Mount Everest. Born on 1963 Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. She scaled the summit of Mount Everest in 2011. She is the first mountaineer to complete the 7 summits in the world. Premlata Agrawal, honored by Top Indian Woman Achiever Award in 2012, Padam Shri Award in 2013, Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award in 2017, and Premlata Agrawal listing in the Limca Book of Records. Next, we talk about Sangeeta Sindhi Bail. She is one of them who cracked the record of Premlata Agrawal. She cracked the record of Premlata Agrawal in category of oldest Indian woman mountaineer. She is born in 9th February 1965 in Jammu. After break the record of Premlata Agrawal, Sangeeta Sindhi Bail scaled the summit of Mount Everest in 2018 and became the oldest Indian woman mountaineer to summit Mount Everest at the age of 53 years. Next, I am going to tell you about Arunima Sinha. She is formerly national football player. She is the first Indian amputee to climb the loftiest mountain in May 2013. Due to a serious accident, her left leg had to be amputated below the knee. After that, she met to Bachendri Pal and started training climbing the mountains. She is born on July 1989, Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh. She is respectively honored by Padam Shri Award in 2015 Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award, 2015 First Lady Award, 2016 Malala Award and Yash Bharti Award also. Next are twin sister. They are Tashi and Nungshi Malik, first siblings and twins to climb 7 summit and reached on North and South Pole. Tashi and Nungshi Malik, born on 21st June 1991 in Sonipat, Haryana. They are first siblings and twins to climb the 7 summit and reach the North and South Poles, complete the Adventures Grand Slam and 3 Poles Challenge. इन सभी माउंटेनियर्स के बारे में जानने के बाद हमें एक बात पता चलती है, अगर आपके अंदर कुछ करने का जज्बा है तो और आपने अपने सपनों को पूरा करने की ठान ली है तो आपकी उम्र, आपका कद, आपकी शारीरिक अशक्ता कुछ मायने नहीं रखती. Thanks for watching. Be aware and stay tuned with Bridge Educare. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates.